Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to create custom bullet points using CSS. We will use the before and after pseudo elements. Let's get started. Here is a basic unordered list. We give it a class called custom list. Let's see what this looks like in the browser. So nothing fancy here, just the standard browser bullet points. So let's style it differently. Step 1. Remove default bullets. Over here in this style tag, we can address our list with a selector for the class custom list. We remove the browser's default bullet points by setting list style to none. Also, we remove the padding. So let's check in this browser how this looks like, and we see that all bullets have disappeared. Step 2. Add custom bullets with before. Now we use the before pseudo element. We add a new symbol, the pointing finger, give it some space, and align it. Color and font weight probably has no effect here, because this is an emoticon with fixed color and appearance. Let's make the width 1 rem 2 and see how this looks like in the browser. As you can see, each list item now has this before element with the pointing finger emoji in front. We can also change the character by setting content here in the style pane in the DevTools to, let's say, an O or a minus. Now, the margin probably needs to be adjusted, but you get the point. You can style this before element as you want with normal CSS styling. Step 4. Use after as an alternative or addition. You can also add a symbol after the list item. This is less common, but useful in some cases. So here we should probably set margin left instead of margin right on the after element. Yep, much better. Of course, you can also style this element as you wish, just like the before element. And that's it. You now know how to customize bullet points with CSS. Want more tips like this? Like and subscribe or join the web dev community on School. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.